Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Luxury Tech, where today we're going to check out a collab between two of my favorite brands, tech company Samsung and American fashion label Thom Browne. A few days ago, on September 12th, when the whole world's attention was focused on the release of the new iPhone 15 series, Samsung announced this special collab for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 Thom Browne Edition. This device was a limited release and was in high demand, so much so that Samsung had to raffle out slots to be able to purchase the phone in Korea. Thankfully, my friend Ben from Ben's Gadget Reviews hooked me up with a company in Hong Kong, Trinity Electronics, and they were able to secure one for me for this video. This isn't the first time the two brands collabed on a foldable phone. 3 years ago, Samsung released the Z Fold 2 Thom Browne Edition. It was followed up a year later by the Z Fold 3 Thom Browne Edition. But if you ask me, based on photos, I think this is going to be the best one yet. If you love tech but are unfamiliar with fashion, Thom Browne is known for its shrunken suits, its monochromatic colors, usually dark blue and gray, or their iconic horizontal stripes, also known as 4-bar. I have it right here. This is what you get when you normally shop at Thom Browne, but this isn't the actual bag that it comes in. It does come in its own bag, but in black. You'll see it has the words Samsung and Thom Browne New York etched in front, and inside you'll find the actual box. This is going to be a trip, folks. I think the easiest way is to just slide it out. There you go. I believe these are just here for protection. So this is the actual box. If you come closer, you'll notice the fine lines are reminiscent of the texture of an actual Thom Browne box. And if you notice from all the details up front, it's meant to resemble a briefcase. Thom Browne is known for its briefcases and other leather products. And immediately I'm zooming in on some of these details and already geeking out. First thing I noticed is this sticker, which they used to seal the box, which is reminiscent of the tag that they put on some of their shirts. In fact, the shirt that I'm wearing has one too. And here you have that brass closure, which you can find in a lot of Thom Browne bags. And right here in the middle, you have that red, white, and blue grosgrain that Thom Browne is also known for. Okay, so let's turn it around so we can finally open it up. This is a collector's item, so I need to be very careful. So this is the actual box. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. Wow, so it is a briefcase, complete with the grosgrain, and it looks like we have a letter from Thom Browne himself. It says, "Take a seat at the Thom Browne table. Thank you for joining Thom Browne and Samsung to celebrate this new experience in design and technology." So when I heard I was doing a Thom Browne video today, I thought I'd dress for the occasion, but apparently it's not good enough because the intent is a black tie affair.
Where are we going to get tuxedos?
In fact, Samsung posted this video on YouTube that references a black tie affair. Where was my invite? Let's save the Fold 5 for a little bit later. Let's start with the Watch 6. Ooh, there's a surprise underneath and it matches the box. It's almost hidden. I believe this is a leather strap for the Watch 6. So it's actually a silicone band made to look like leather. Let's lift this up. Oh, there's a seal. Okay, let's be very careful again. There you go, very gentle. Remember guys, this is a collector's edition. And I haven't even told you how much this costs yet. Okay, now let's lift. I've unboxed too many Samsung devices recently to know that there's probably something here, right? Exactly. Let's pull it out. Love all of these stripes, by the way. It says Thom Browne and Samsung. Okay, looks like you have your standard Galaxy Watch charger. Oh, but with that same stripe detail on the end of the USB-C cable. Pretty nice. And this is the Galaxy Watch 6 with another strap. Is this one leather? No, it's still silicone. But notice the details are all in gold. The texture on the strap is made to look like pebble leather. And then here, etched on the side of the watch, is Thom Browne, New York. All right, it's time for the main event, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I can see it, but we'll get to it later. Let's take a look at the phone first. So flip it over so that we can carefully break open the seal. You guys ready? Okay, let's take a look. Let's see if there's some hidden paperwork in here. Just this. Inside, you have a braided USB-C to C cable, also with those Thom Browne elements, SIM ejector tool, and quick start guide. Here it is, the main event. Let's start with the S Pen. It looks like there's a faux leather case for the S Pen. Let's see if it has any special stripe inside. Nope. Although it says Thom Browne, New York on one side. Again, this faux leather case also has that pebble leather texture that you'll find on Thom Browne leather goods. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Lift on this tab, and how cute is that? Even the tab is in that striped pattern. Wow! Oh, wow, look at that. If this isn't the prettiest phone I've ever seen, I don't know if you can see it, but if you look closely, wow, it's not just smooth glass. You can actually feel the texture of that grosgrain. Okay, it's time to fold it. I didn't even expect that. Wow, look at that, guys. The hinge is actually gold. So nice. I definitely want to check out these cases. Let's start with the traditional black in pebble leather. Wow, I love that there's so much to discover here. Underneath this leather case, have actual grosgrain, to be honest. Even the tag with the stitching is there. It's really these attention to details that matters the most. Put it on. Wow. Good snug fit. You can still see the gold rings around the camera. Very nice. And last but not least, we have one more case. This one is dark gray, and the border around it is reminiscent of the pattern that you'll find on some Thom Browne brogues. Like the last one, it has that red, white, and blue pattern as well as that logo patch. And of course, it has that matching leather top as well. Okay, I'm not gonna take out these stickers for now, but I'm just gonna put this on. Oh no, I almost forgot, folks. We need a power adapter. And there's one over here. This one we have is a charger for the Hong Kong region. Like all the accessories in the box, it comes with the same red, white, and blue grosgrain. If you buy this special Thom Browne Edition Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Watch 6, you will also get some special Thom Browne wallpapers. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 Thom Browne Edition is priced at 4.29 million Korean won, which roughly converts to about 3,300 US dollars. Is it pricey? Well, the regular 512GB Z Fold 5 retails for $17.99, and the new Watch 6 is about $429. So at the end of the day, from this Thom Browne packaging, from all of those extra cases and bands, and that extra oomph from purchasing a Thom Browne product, you're left with $1,000. I think that is definitely worth it. And that was our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 Thom Browne Edition unboxing. If you'd like to see more content like this one that dissects the intersection between tech and fashion, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.